I'm not going to ask you about the politics, Rishad, but more about the impact that you see panning out as far as Indian business is concerned, the Indian IT sector is concerned. Donald Trump being seen as pro-business, pro-growth. Is that assessment you share?
Yeah, it's still early days, Siddharth, right? So the administration has just come in a few days ago, but the general rhetoric and the sentiment I feel and see on the ground is that exactly what you said, that the administration believes in a pro-growth, pro-business agenda, and we see our customers starting to sort of act and think in that direction. There's also a hope of much less regulation. There's a hope of lower taxes, especially corporate taxes, and that just bodes well for business. So the early signs are customers are going to spend. How that unfolds on the other side with things like tariffs, how it unfolds with things like immigration, may also have implications on inflation, which can create some sort of a dampener to this journey. But we'll have to wait and see how it unfolds. But the initial sentiment is certainly one of optimism and positivity.
Rishad, when you had spoken about this in the middle of November and I was reading about those comments, you said that between then and now and the fact that President Trump seems to have dialed back the party's rhetoric on immigration, particularly H-1B. Does that come as a positive surprise? Have the clouds over H-1B lifted in some ways?
Look, Siddharth, we've worked over 4 decades with different administrations on the issue of mobility of talent, right? And that journey, I think, will continue constructively with the new administration. And I think the new administration will be smart and sensible about how to attract the best talent and leverage the best talent, especially if it doesn't exist locally. From a company perspective, we are almost 80% local. So we have done that systematically over the years, and we feel that we can sensibly access the talent that we need to access in the US or globally, and we don't see that changing and not being a big disruption to our model, given the fact that we're already 80% local.